Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today I have a brand new, to me, subscription service, and that is Medusa's Makeup. So this is a cruelty-free and vegan subscription. I did get this for Christmas, so I think I have a year of it, but I'm gonna unbox this and we're gonna see how we feel about it. I have pre-opened the box, so let's go ahead and dive right in. I don't know how much this costs or anything like that because I'm ill-prepared, but yep, here is what it looks like. I do believe this is December's box, if that's how this works. So yeah, it's December 2020 box. There are the prices of everything on there. First thing up, we have Medusa's Makeup lipstick. So their name brand. This is in Baroque. I don't know how to say that, but this retails for $14. Simple packaging, says Medusa's Makeup on there. Ooh, that's a color, all right. I don't think I'm gonna swatch that. Smells nice. By that I mean it doesn't have a scent, but oh, I don't think I'm gonna swatch it because I know I'm not gonna wear that, but it's pretty and I'm sure someone will love this. 14 bucks. Bright and beautiful lipstick and luxurious blend of natural vegan waxes. So that's cool that it's like all cruelty free and everything, but you know, I'm just not gonna wear that color. Okay, we have a cute little brush. Is this a Luxie brush? Looks like a Luxie brush. Nope, it's a Medusa's Makeup brush. So it's like a glittery handle, and then I would just use this to like smudge out under my eye. It's a glitter angle eyeliner brush is what it's called, and it retails for $6. Cute, I'll use that for sure. Not for glitter probably, but. Next is the Halo Glow Face Stick by Medusa's Makeup. I thought this brand had like other brands too. Maybe I'm wrong. It's in the shade Astro. I'm gonna take the packaging off and show you it, but I'm probably not gonna swatch it just because I don't really care for stick highlighters. So far we're not off to the best start with this brand. Yeah, but you know, I like the brush. Okay. Get off of me. Now it's in my hair. Oh yeah, it's in a pretty shade. Whoa. Again, no smell. It's got like a almost blue tint to it. I don't know if you can see like the blue spirals in there, but that's really pretty. If I liked this kind of stuff, I would use it, but I'm not going to waste it. Somebody else will get much better use out of that than I will, so we'll pass that on to someone else. This retails for $16. And next thing in here is eyeliner seal by Medusa's Makeup. What is this? Turns eye dust and eyeshadows into an eyeliner or paint. Retails for $9. Okay, that's kind of cool. So basically, if you had like an eyeshadow that you want to use as an eyeliner, no scent, you just put this in there and then you have an eyeliner. So that's cool. I've never heard of that before. And the last thing is the Medusa's Makeup Eye Dust in the shade Dirty. This is a single eyeshadow. Yeah, I'm not gonna use that either. It's like a purpley brown color, really pretty. Retails for $9. Actually, I'll show you the little card here because it's like a lot more purple than it looks, but really pretty eyeshadow. I just don't use single eyeshadows because I never reach for them and I know myself enough to know that I don't want to be wasteful. But says the box value of this is $54, so I don't know how much this costs. I'm gonna assume probably in the $20 range, but yeah, that's everything. So out of all of that stuff, pretty much the only thing I'm gonna use is the brush, but it's a really cute brush and I'm sure someone will love. Oh, actually this stuff too. I think this is cool, the eyeliner seal, so I'll use that too. But yeah, hopefully next month we have some more stuff that we'll use. But don't forget to like this video before you go, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.